Hello, I'm Christina Neely. Welcome to another episode of Beeville Live. Today I have some tips, useful tips for things that you can do around the house. Now, oftentimes if you use bar soap, you're left with little tiny bits of soap. Most people throw them in the trash, but they actually have a lot of uses. So I keep my old little bits of soap. And today I'm going to show you a very useful tip. I have some older furniture in my house. I have bureaus that are 200 years old. They're solid wood. And when you try and pull the drawers out, they really stick. There's no metal bearings in there, so you can't spray it with your usual lubricant like WD-40. But soap is a wonderful lubricant. In the old days, before metal bearings were made, they used soap on wood, and that works as a very good lubricant. So the drawer that I have today that I'm going to show you is sticking, and as you can see, it's an old dovetail. You know, you get the name dovetail from the type of wood, and it's sticking. So you take a little bit of soap and you're going to rub it around the edges of wherever this makes contact with inside the bureau. Okay, so all you do is you just take your soap, you take the flat part of it. If you don't have soap bits, you can just use it, but a lot of people don't use hard soap anymore, but this really works well. So you're going to rub that all around the drawer edges, and instead of the drawer squeaking and tugging, they're going to slide out very easily. So I'm just going to take my drawer, and wherever it makes contact, I'm just going to take that little soap bit and I'm just going to rub it. Okay? All the way around. And the other advantage is it's going to make your drawers smell very nice. So we do this all the way around the drawer, and instead of being grating or bumpy, you're going to end up with a nice smooth roll. And you can do this periodically, like every couple months, but it usually lasts a long time if you put enough soap on it. So it's kind of like how surfers put wax on a surfboard to get a, you know, well, they use that really for a good stick, but the soap, you're kind of doing it the same way as you would with the wax. And you could use wax too. You could use candle wax if you have an old candle. But I like the soap because it makes it smell nice. Okay, so you're going to do that all the way around the drawer with wherever it contacts, if there's any rough edges. And then when you're done, you also want to put it inside the drawers. And I'll show you that now. Let me put this drawer down. And I'll move the camera into here. But as you can see inside this drawer, there's these contact points down here, and that's where you're also going to rub it. Okay, so that's your useful tip of the day for old pieces of soap and to make your drawer smell nice and pull a lot smoother. See you later.